So here's the products we're putting in today. This customer, we sold them two JL Audio W6s. They're almost the top of the line as far as the JL Audio products go. They handle quite a bit of power. We're going to put them in a vented, ported box today. So we're going to build that, and we're going to talk about how we do that. And he's also putting in a JL Audio 1201 HD amplifier. This should deliver plenty of power and really make these things play pretty loud. So this is Neil, who is our custom stereo guy, has already cut the pieces out, and he's going to talk a little bit about this type of box. It's all 3/4 inch MDF particle board, and he's going to go a little bit about how this box is constructed. So here's Neil.
The box was determined size-wise to fit in the back of the customer Nissan Maxima 2013. Per JL specs, the net volume is 1.3 cubic foot per chamber, and it has a cubic inch volume on the port of about 600 cubic inches, which turns out to be roughly about 33 inches of port length. So this box should really slam in this car with the 1200 watt amp that's going on it.
So we've disassembled the box. It was never really fastened, but we're spray painting the inside ports black, so therefore it looks a little better. There's no exposed wood, and so these are the pieces that form the box. What we're going to do next is, once the paint dries, we're going to glue the box together, and then we're also going to screw it and put the woofers in, and we'll go from there. But this is kind of like one of the second phase here. So now where we're at here is Neil's is assembling the box, and he's put some trim nails or trim screw nails in with the glue, and we do that kind of to hold it together temporary. And then what we'll do is after he's done putting everything together, it's all glued up, we're gonna then refasten it with screws, because these woofers are gonna create a lot of pressure inside this box. So we got a wood glue here. All the pieces are going back together. If you can see, the nails have been in with our air nailer, and we'll come back once this part's done. So we got the box all assembled now, other than the top. We wanted to show you the design here and show you how the ports work, or vents. And this is what this woofer requires. How long is that?
It's a 32-inch port length, a total of about 600 cubic inches per port.
Per port, and then what's the box dimensions, the internal size per woofer?
The net size was 1.3.
So it's 1.3 cubic feet per woofer. And he's cutting the woofers in right now, and he's going to put the top back together, and then we're going to wrap it with carpet and get ready for the next stage. So this is the finished box. You can see the ports with the top on there. They're painted black, which is the reason why we did that, because those are going to be exposed. Inside the box you can see the chamber, the vent that the base is going to help go through. The top's all screwed and glued. And now Neil's going to put the carpeting on there, load the woofers, and we'll go from there. So now we're loading the woofers in the box. Neil's got them wired both to 8 ohms, and then again we're going to parallel them to make them 4 ohms. As you can see, the box is now finished. It's all carpeted. The vent's exposed. So we'll put this together, hook up the amplifier, and this thing should just slam. So we'll kind of touch base next step here. Finished our Maxima here. This box is loaded with the JLW6s. Turn it up a little bit. And customers here, very happy. Plays extremely loud. I don't know what else to say. Definitely has that slamming bass. Got the amp mounted on the back wall. Nothing fancy. He just wanted something to sound good. Didn't really care about how it looked, but box turned out real well, and thing really slams.